welcome back to your YouTube channel called Mathematics with Baji, and today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic called mean. I know, I didn't mean that. What do you mean by that? But we are talking different mean over here in mathematics, okay? So in mathematics, mean means sort of average, we can say, of all the numbers available. So like some of the data will be given and we will be finding mean of that, mean, arithmetic mean or arithmetic mean, and we will be discussing about the different ways of it. So first let's get started with it. And if we talk about mean or arithmetic mean, so what do we need to remember? Arithmetic mean, or we can just simply say mean equals to summation x upon n. In n stands means how many numbers are there, total numbers, okay, we can say total numbers, or we can say the total quantity. And x is what? Summation x is sum of terms, whatever the terms or the quantity or the frequency, whatever it is given, or that is considered to be a summation x. Summation means here over, summation in arithmetic means addition, sum of some quantities, okay. So we will be doing question based on that, so that you can get a very clear idea based on that. So let's have a question. Let me give you a very simple example. As I told you, mean means what? Sort of average of all the numbers available. See how we will do it. Suppose I am giving you a very simple example. For example, I say there are some quantities available like 65, 5, 10, 70. We have then 30. Okay. So these are how many? 4 quantities I have taken. Let it be. These are the marks obtained by number of some students in specific. Okay. So what we will do while finding out the mean, what we will do, we will have mean or arithmetic mean, we will do summation x. This is considered to be our what? This will be considered to be our x, means some quantity, and n will be numbers, total numbers, okay. So we will be doing what summation x means over here. We will be adding the 65 plus 5 plus 70 plus 30. How many quantities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total numbers are how many? 4. So we will be adding 4 over here. Added, we will getting 70, 140. It will become 140 plus 170 upon 4. Okay. So what will happen in this case? In this case, what we are doing? We will then try to solve it out. So we can say 2, and we can say 8, 5, 85 will give this. Then 2, 1, 4, 2.5. So 42.5 will be what? It will be considered as our mean. It will be considered our mean, arithmetic mean or mean. Let's have a question based on that, so that you can get a very clear idea. Now here we are having one question based on mean. So what does it say? It says the weight in kilogram. Weight in kilogram of how many percent? 5% is giving so and so. Find the arithmetic mean of their weight. So now here the things are very clear. We can clearly see this is our what? This is our x term and this is our n. If this n means number of 5% would not have been written, this 5 would not have been written, what we would have done? We would have counted this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fine, this thing is there. So let's begin with our question. Solution. Arithmetic mean, or we can simply say just mean. Remember, mean is not nothing, just an average of all the available quantities whatever there. Summation x upon n. Okay. So what we will be doing? We will be doing 67. It's available on, visible on the board? Yes, it is visible. I'll write it on the next line so that it's more clear. Okay. So we will write 67 plus 65 plus 71 plus 57 plus 45, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here also 5 is given, so we will write it here directly. If this would not have been given, we would have counted and we would have written it over here. So now our rough part area starts. See, most of the students, what do? They prefer using calculators, and calculators, even our mobile phones and androids, calculators are there. But I do feel that you should try to do rough work on your own rather than depending on calculator. Why? There is a reason. Why there is a reason? Because most of the time calculator is not always allowed, okay? And what will happen, even though it is allowed, if it is allowed, nothing will happen, but it will be clear, make your mental maths capability more clear, okay? You are getting my point. You will get more mathematics point of vision and you will get more calculation wise, you will improve. So let's add by our own. You are going to use any calculator in this thing. So let's begin. So here is our rough line. So 67 plus 65 gives 12 to 1, and then I'll be having 13, okay? Then we have 71, 3, 10, 2, and then we will having what? 57, 10, 1, 6, 2, and we have 45, then 5, 10, 1, 3, okay? So 3, 0, 5, here 5. I have not made any addition sign and proper that thing. I have calculated on my own. So if you want, you can write it like that. But it was a rough work, so nobody is going to check. And now you are not going to get marks on this. But make sure whatever the calculation you are doing, it gives you the correct output, okay? Calculation should be correct. Maybe you can do mind calculation. For your convenience, I am doing on the board, otherwise I would have done on my mind only. So let's cancel out by 5. It can be clearly cancelled by the 5. Table 5 on the 5, 6 and 61. So mean will be what? Mean, arithmetic mean will be, let me write it on the next line. Is it clear? Huh. Arithmetic mean equals to 61. It was said find the arithmetic mean of their weight. So it is said weight. So here we will be putting a unit for weight, that is what? kg. If there would not have been any specific unit, we would not have been written it by itself. So I hope the basic concept of mean is being clear to you all, and how to find out the mean when some quantities are given and how to do that. Next we will be having mean by different ways, like we can say next clip we will be having arithmetic mean of tabulated data, direct method, shortcut method, so the step deviation method. So we will be discussing this particular topic called mean. So anyhow the quantity is being given, so you are able to solve it. I hope till now this mean part is being clear to you all. Go and check it out, more clips for more clarity in mathematics, and I hope this mean is being clear. So see you soon with next. We will continue mean clips parts, they will be there, so you can specifically see to that. I'm not making a one long clip, rather than I will be making parts of it, so that you won't get bored and you get a very clear idea about that. Till then, thank you for watching and thank you for your support. Allah Hafiz. See you soon.